ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Good morning to you all. I am very happy that you all from different parts of the country as well as abroad have come for this international camp, and 5 days we will be here. This camp is happening just because of one person. That person is Mr. Vasu.
Namaste. So first of all, welcome all of you to our nature lounge. We are all so privileged to have all of you.
Now I would like to introduce one person. He is Mr. Dwanit. He is here. He is the owner of this entire property. Because of his courtesy, we are doing everything here. Mr. Dwanit, welcome you. Welcome you. Everybody knows Jatin Das. I need not introduce him. Now I request Jatin to inaugurate this Chitra Parishet. Thank you and sadhu sadhu. Thank you Jatinda and everybody.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. 5 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕೊನೆಯ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸಮಾರೋಪ ಸಮಾರಂಭ, ಆರೋಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ 5 ದಿನಗಳು ನಡೆದಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆ ಭಗವಂತನ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಇಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆರೋಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಡುವಂಥ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ 5 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆ ಭಗವಂತನ ಅರ್ಪಿಸುವಂಥಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಾರೋಪ ಅಂತೀವಿ.
Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all for this informal closing ceremony. All these 5 days, you people have seen this place as well as worked. We have built our camaraderie. I think we have created new relations as well. And I'm going, we will carry a very great happiness and we'll cherish in our lifetime as well. Now, this is though it's very informal, just we want to felicitate few people. First of all, you must have seen here 5 students from Davanagere Art College came. They are all art students. We have requested our principal to send 5 students. They have come here. You have seen how they worked very hard and what contribution they made. You all are amazing. I need not explain what area this is, what ambience, what is the atmosphere, everything. Already, as I explained you, this is just because of Mr. Vasu, nothing else. I call upon Vasu.
Side nodi.
Yes.
It is overwhelming. In fact, when we spoke, myself, Krishna Setty, I never knew this would take this kind of shape. Actually, you guys are aware of there's a lot of celebrations in Bangalore. Many people are telling we missed it, this kind of messages and people. I think it is good that we next time will try to give a better publicity. I assure you, sir, we'll give better facility next time. I want you to do still in a different dimension next year with all of your support. And we are privileged to have great artists like you, so who have come all the way and made this place much more beautiful than what it is with your presence. And Pitamaha of art is here, so it is so nice. The day has come. Till now, there's some kind of positive energy around. So really, I'm thankful to you, sir. So, and I request you to come and felicitate our great man, who is behind all this. So. Actually, I know how hard it is to organize events like this in today's scenario. I wish you, sir, all the best in future also. We are with you.
Now, once again, thank you all.